Hi guys, tingnan niyo tong view guys. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Share ko lang sa inyo guys. Green. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tita mo, ano kaya to? At ang lemongrass. This is coconut with that banana. Yeah. Coconut tree, banana tree. Yeah. Wow, love it. And this is durian, I think. With lemongrass there down before.